In today's lesson, we are going to learn about OKX. OKX is an exchange platform. It's a crypto exchange platform where you can trade cryptocurrency. I mean, you can buy and sell or transfer cryptocurrency. And this platform is a centralized exchange, meaning they are in control of your crypto asset. All you need to do is create an account with them. Then they're going to store your crypto asset for you, and whenever you want to transact, you can log into your account, then use the exchange. I want to believe you already have, OKX. And if say you don't have OKX, you're gonna find the link below of my video so you can register with OKX. This is the interface of OKX when you first log in. You can create an account now with OKX. Then after that, you can log in into your account. Now, the OKX platform is similar to other exchange platform like Binance, Bybit, Bitget, and so on and so forth. And yeah, they have wallets, the OKX wallet, and also the exchange. And today we want to talk about the exchange, not the wallet. Yeah, you see on this menu you have the buy crypto, express buy, P2P trading, third party payment. This express buy is, for example, if you want to buy with Visa, Mastercard, and other payment gateway, you can use express buy. P2P trading now is when you want to trade with someone within OKX P2P platform. And third party is when you want to use this Simplex and other third party wallet. Then you go to the next menu, you see discover, you have markets, you have opportunities, you have crypto trading. And the next menu is trade, you have convert, you have basic trading, you have spot, you have simple options, you have derivative and margin trading, you have perpetual swap, you have futures, you have margin, you have options, you have trading bot, you have marketplace, you have crypto bot, you have copy trading, liquidity marketplace, neutral spread. All these are different products that OKX offers to the customers. If say you want to do spot trading, then you can go to spot. If say you want just simple options, you can go to simple options. If say you want derivative, you can go there. For me, I use more spot and futures. Maybe in the future you're gonna learn more on about all this other aspect of OKX. But what is common is the spot trading or futures. Everyone will begin to an extent begin with spot, because spot, it means you're buying it at the spot price, at the market price. You're not borrowing any money. Futures means you are borrowing money to buy, for example, Bitcoin. Let's say you borrow money that the price of Bitcoin will rise to, let's say Bitcoin now is 10,000. You borrow money that Bitcoin in the future, Bitcoin will go to 15,000. You have, let's say, $100, and you borrow money to buy Bitcoin. And if you say Bitcoin goes against you, let's say Bitcoin goes to 5,000, then you're gonna lose your money. But in with spot trading, it's not like that. When you buy spot, it doesn't matter what happened with the price. You own the Bitcoin, and you can transfer the Bitcoin to other exchanges, or to other exchanges or other wallet. But if say you buy futures, you cannot transfer futures. You can transfer only spot. Because spot means you actually own the asset. But futures means you are borrowing the asset from OKX or from the exchange that you are trading with. And trading bot is just AI. If say you want to like you don't have time, you can set up trading bot, and trading bot trades for you. You know, yeah. So this is all about trades. Then this area like earn, simple earn, structure product, on-chain earn. So you can farm your tokens. You can we call it staking, liquidity farming. So you can do that here. With how am I say Bybit with OKX. Then build, you can develop, you can expand so there's so much here for developers and also institutions. You can see liquidity home, liquidity marketplace, APIs, VIP loan, broker program. So you can see you can even get a loan here with OKX, and they also have more like the pool, OKB, the reward, referral, affiliates, OKX venture. So there's so much here. This is a whole powerhouse. For this video or for this training, we're going to focus on trading. First, let's begin with convert. Converting is an aspect of crypto that you are swapping from one coin to another coin. Let's say, for example, you have USDT, right? And you want to buy Bitcoin. You can swap your USDT into Bitcoin. And what you need to do is make sure that the asset that you want to swap from is above. Like right now, if say you have BUSDT, you have to now choose USDT first before you go to Bitcoin. You can choose Bitcoin or any other asset that you want to swap the USDT to. Let's say, for example, Ethereum. Now you can, either say click on max, or you click the amount that you want to transfer. Let's say, for example, you have 100 USDT or 1,000, and you want to swap just 100. Then you can then do it like that. When you can then convert it into Ethereum, and that's it. And if say you want to swap back to USDT, like say for example, you realize that the market is going to the downside, or you want to take out profit, you can now come back, and there's this arrow here. You can click on the arrow, and it will interchange. Ethereum will be up and USDT will be down. Then you can now click on max, or the amount of Ethereum that you want to swap back to USDT. So that's how you swap. And there's no slippage, no fees. There are more pairs that you can swap. You can do this with so many pairs. You can choose USDT to BTC to curve. Like there are many. The list here is endless. So many that you can swap um your USDT to. So that's what swap is. And stablecoin is you want to swap from one stablecoin to another stablecoin. Like for example, you want to swap from USDT to USDC, or maybe you want to swap from USDT to DAI, USDP, USD. You can do it the same way as I did it here, like as I demonstrated on this other section, swapping crypto like USDT to BTC. And the next year is basic trading, right? This is just you buying, selling, cryptocurrency. We have spot trading, like for example, when there's this, you can see here, Shiba Inu slash USDT. This is Shiba Inu slash USDT pair. So when you click on it, you can then type the coin you want to trade. Let's say, for example, you want to buy BTC. You can then click buy like BTC, and you see it will appear here. The first is you see spots, and you're gonna see also down here perpetual, which is same as futures, and down here you're gonna see futures as well. Like all this, they are the same as futures, right? This is an advanced way for you to actually buy and sell. This is spot trading, right? And here you have take profit, you have stop loss. Let's say for example, we go to, let's see if say we can go to okay, you say okay, right now you are buying this is Shiba Inu. Let's go to Bitcoin, BTC. But the first one, which is in star Bitcoin slash USDT. Always make sure you see Bitcoin slash USDT. If not, then you're gonna take the wrong one. So you open it, and let's say for example, you say you want to buy Bitcoin here, then you're gonna take profit at 30,000. Right. So when Bitcoin gets to 30,000, that's when you want to take out profit. And if say Bitcoin is going below 29,000, then you want to sell Bitcoin. Let's say you want to sell Bitcoin at 28,800. If say Bitcoin is going, if say Bitcoin break this zone here, this area here, this support. If say you haven't yet followed my video about support and resistance, make sure you go and check out my support and resistance video. It will help you understand more as to what I'm saying. Yeah. So now let's say for example you want to buy Bitcoin. This is the price. You can either choose to place a limit order. Limit order means you are placing you are placing an order in the future. You are limiting your risks by looking at different areas where price might get to. Then you're gonna buy Bitcoin. Let's say right, Bitcoin was at 30,000, right, and you realize that Bitcoin can get to 29,000. That's where you want to buy Bitcoin. So you're gonna place a limit order at 29,000 to buy Bitcoin. And in this case now you're gonna come here. You're gonna select limit. Then you select the amount, the price that you want to buy the like buy BTC. Then you're gonna choose the amount. That like amount, it means the how much dollar you wanna use it to buy the BTC. You're gonna choose it. Maybe you wanna buy it with maximum what you have and so on. Then you could go down here. You see take profit and stop loss. Take profit. Let's say for example, you wanna take profit at 30,000. You're gonna see SL stands for stop loss, right? TP stands for take profit. So you can say at 28,800, stop loss, and at 30,000, you're gonna take out profit. Now, last price, when you see last price here, last price means um if say if say price is going, let's say, against you, like there's so much going on in the market and there's so much people buying and selling, the weeks, price is moving so fast. You can then say, okay, if say price doesn't get to where you want it to be, the last price should be this a certain amount that you want, or a certain price point that you want. The system to sell your Bitcoin or take out profit, right? So you can put last order. But I always recommend you use market order, because market order is, when price get to your area, you are going to actually sell it. Like it's gonna execute itself, right? So if say price get to that price point, like 29,000 or 28,000, it will automatically sell and protect your money from liquidation. So this is the reason why it's important when you are doing spot trading. You actually learn how to set take profit and stop loss. Of course, if say you don't set stop loss, like for example, if say it's a coin like Bitcoin that you uh, you have money and you are DCAing Bitcoin, like you can look at different areas. Like let's say for example, you are someone who is working and you're getting salary. You can say, okay, now Bitcoin is 30K. I'm gonna buy more Bitcoin at 29K. I'm gonna buy more Bitcoin at 28K. So these areas are areas where you're gonna say you're gonna buy more Bitcoin, because you know that, okay, in the end, when Bitcoin get to the all-time high, like 60K per Bitcoin, that's when you want to sell your Bitcoin. And knowing the history of Bitcoin, that Bitcoin always goes to the all-time high and from other all-time high, then you are going to keep accumulating. When it gets to that point, then you're gonna sell your Bitcoin. So you now have a plan, and whenever you get your salary, you keep buying Bitcoin, regardless of how long it will take. You know that in the future, long term, Bitcoin will survive. You can do the same with other altcoins. Search for ETH, set a buy limit order, and market order is you are buying it at that same price. Let's say, for example, right now you want to buy Bitcoin, you are buying Bitcoin at the market price. You are not going to buy Bitcoin in the future, no limit order. You're going to buy Bitcoin at the same price. And this other one is more advanced. This is more of conditional buying, and like you set certain conditions for price to trigger and take out profit or stop loss. So this one is more advanced. The most common one that most people use is market and limit orders. But this is more of when you must have understood how to swap, and the same way is applicable to your phone. When you go to your phone, you just need to look for convert, basic trading. You're gonna see spot. Yes, spot is the one you want to go at this point in time, because spot is you are buying at a spot price. You are not using futures or perpetual swap, like options, also margin. So this is you are making it simple and performing the tasks that you need to perform to protect yourself. Long term. Within no time, you're gonna learn on your own. Like go here, try to look at different aspect or watch more videos about OKX platform, try to understand the different product that they offer. So I want to believe this content was helpful to you. If this content was helpful to you, make sure you go and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.